Do take note to resume recording. Trying not to make my pose too complicated, I will make do with a simple, non-too bendy pose. When I finished posing, I previewed it with adaptive skin mode and exported a new polymesh 3D with this pose. Go under adaptive skin and at the bottom of the tab, click on Make Adaptive Skin. At the toolbox window, you will see the new polymesh subtool, Skin Z-Sphere 2, which is the new polymesh generated by Make Adaptive Skin. Skin Z-Sphere 1 is the polymesh generated previously before posing the legs. All new polymesh 3D generated from Z-Sphere rigs will start with the skin _ prefix. This new skin polymesh no longer contain layers. The ability to pose or animate this mesh is available under Z-Sphere 1 subtool.